Hello everyone, my name is Mathieu Liénard and welcome to the second episode of my series of videos on demoing some of the results I've achieved in my own lab working with Amazon AWS, Pexip Infinity, Jitsi, and Amazon Echo. So for this demo, I've already started the Pexip instances and the Jitsi instance. And what I will try to do here, it's not to use Amazon Echo to interact with those EC2 instances and manage them, but to run REST APIs and basically interact with the application layer, which are in this case UC applications. So on the Jitsi side, it's pretty simple. I've got one Jitsi WebRTC server. On the Pexip side, so I've got in this European region, so one management server and two conference servers. And in one of the US region, I've set up two additional conference nodes. And if I go in the Pexip management server, so you can see the four Pexip nodes. So on the Pexip side, I've created two locations, one for my two Pexip servers, which are in the Amazon European region, one of the European region, and so AWS US location for the two instances which are in one of the AWS region. So in the US side, you see the red, that's kind of on purpose for the demo. I've installed them in lower version than the version of the management servers, the management server, and the two servers which are in the European region. So let's see what I can do with Alexa. Alexa, launch UC Magician.
The UC Magician is ready to make some tricks for you.
Check my Pexip environment.
Your Pexip Infinity infrastructure has two locations. Locations are AWS_EU, AWS_US. In location AWS_EU, there are two Pexip conference nodes. All the nodes in this AWS_EU location are in the same version, 17.2, 402.12.0.0. The node PXPCONF01 is a conferencing node. It is up and running. The node PXPCONF02 is a conferencing node. It is up and running. In location AWS_US, there are two Pexip conference nodes. The node PXPCONF03 is a conferencing node. This node is in version 17.40161.0.0. It is up and running. The node PXPCONF04 is a conferencing node. This node is in version 17.1.40171.0.0. It is up and running.
There's for sure better ways to present those information, but again, that's just a test. It's not meant to be perfect nor to be pretty. So now let's try to check the Jitsi application. Alexa, ask the UC Magician to check the Jitsi application.
You have a Jitsi Meet server in version 0.1.1030.
Alexa, ask the UC Magician to check my UC applications.
You have two UC infrastructures running at the moment. First, you have a Pexip Infinity infrastructure with two locations. Locations are
Alexa, stop.
AWS.
I'm stopping it because
I'll do the last trick for you. I'm disappearing. Now you do the work.
I'm stopping it because we've already heard everything. So obviously you could do much more than that. For example, the two conference nodes I've erased, you could ask the system to upgrade them and use the APIs to launch an upgrade of those two nodes, or do whatever administration task or other task that you want. I mean, in the end, anything that the APIs allows you to do. Here, I've just basically used the read APIs to check the status, but again, you can do much, much more. But I'm not going to go deeper into it. I just wanted to try it, try using the APIs to launch commands and interact with the UC application layer, which sits on top of my EC2 instances. In the next video, we are going to continue to dig deeper. It's going to get much more interesting, much more complicated too, but much more interesting. So I really encourage you to come and check it out. Thank you for watching.